Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have traded in a narrow range throughout this day. Earlier in the day with the Asia session, we have seen little bullishness. Europe session has eroded some of the rise there and it has come back to the support level. So now what to expect with the US session and with the data coming in before the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicate. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update will have already profited. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Watch. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts on Tech 100. See, 950 was the resistance. Multiple candles failed to break past here beyond 950, 970, and then first red candle has appeared. This is the second red candle in making. This can take the prices further down. Where is the next support levels? 870 is the next and 840 is the second support levels. Yes, staying below 900, 870, 840 zone, you should watch out for. Definitely greater support exists here. Once it stays below 840 is where further bearishness lies for Tech 100. The stochastic looking downwards here. MACD has crossed over. It is again divergent. It is again bearish looking downwards here. RSI is looking downwards as well, denoting little bearish. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, see third bearish candle in succession. There is a wall out here at 960, 970. With that as well, we have seen prices falling. Possibly the support it may try to find here is in between 840 to 870 zone. This is definitely going to play a major role. Achieving those levels, it can again bounce back. But yes, only bullishness is if it stays above 15,960, you can expect 16,000 and plus levels. Else still there is bearishness. Stochastic looking vertically down. MACD is in green. It is trying to converge a bit. It is trying to cross over again for sell. It has retraced strongly here. RSI is also looking downwards. On the 3, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see one important point to note here is this bearish channel in which Tech 100 is trading, achieving the lows and the highs at the same time. Now it has achieved the highs here, it appears, and trying to retrace. Now it may find the support here at 840, 870 zone. We have to be watchful here in this zone, and once it stays below 840 is where further bearishness lies, where one can look forward to 800 and 730 level. See, stochastic was overbought. It is trying to cool down. The MACD was trading with divergence. Now the candle sizes are diminishing, suggesting that it can possibly try to converge. RSI is also trying to trade with slight retracement. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4-hour charts, 3 candles on the top getting resistance there. We have seen one reversal candle, and then this candle has already started with red. It is trying to take the support from the 20 period moving average. Thus, in fact, I will recommend you to sell here at 890, but then be cautious of 870, 840. Very strong support lies in between this zone. Only below 840 is where the bears will attack. The stochastic was overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is in a retracement mode. It is still in the bullish zone. It is still looking upwards. And this crossover, as we discussed, has seen after a long bearish move. Thus, if it continues here, bullishness may prevail. Else, there is further downside. Only thing is, it has to cross over. Right now, it is not showing any signs. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, contact me via Telegram or email. And yes, this Sunday we are going to conduct a 1-hour webinar where we are going to discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. Coming week is important, specifically when we have FOMC. Definitely it will bring volatility. So what to expect, how to profit, everything we're going to discuss in the weekly webinar this Sunday. Registration link, this is a free webinar. Registration link is shared in the communities tab of my channel. Do visit the communities tab. Also, you can find the same on my free Telegram channel or on my platform forexfunda.com. Now, look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, one important phenomena which I am observing here is, see, this was the consolidation. Today, it has tried to break on the upside. It has stayed bullish. It is traded with a flat bottom here. Now, it has achieved higher highs. There are a couple of observations from the current levels. First is it can continue to yield higher highs, but it may achieve the lows here. The lows are far below at 780. 750 zone. Very strong support is there, and yes, the highs anyways are seen here at 950, 960. So these are the 200 points where it can try to swing. Now, how to benefit out of this swing? Yes, you can sell here at 15,900 or rather I will say 15,890, 880 zone. Yes, you can sell somewhere here between 880 and 900 levels. Expect it to move towards. See, as long as 840 levels are there, you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Below 840 is where I will expect it to hit 800 levels and then 760 levels. Yes, these are the support levels on the downside. On the upside, a buying entry is only above 15,960. If you see it is staying above 15,960, close your eyes, stay bullish, stay long. We are looking forward to 16,000, 16,030, 16,060. Now, see, stochastic is rising here as well. While MACD is the only thing which is trading with divergence and bearishness, it is looking downwards here. Yes, it has crossed over at a high and it suggests that it can continue on the downside for a little while. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 15,960 and sell at 15,880, 900 zone. On the upside, beyond 15,960, 16,000 is what you should watch out for. Critically, this is definitely a critical resistance zone. Beyond 16,000 is where the bulls will try to take over for 16,000, 2030 as the first target and then 16,060 as the next. If it stays above 16,060, stay long, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 140, 200 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the early charts. First of all, it has formed a bullish flag here. Then this is the breakout and now it is trying to rise with the support here at 35 100 levels. So yes, 36 100 levels. So yes, only if you see it is staying below 36 100, we can expect further bearishness. In fact, I will say even if you see it is staying below 36 140, you can sell here for 36 100, and below 36 100 is where the bears will take over. Now what is happening on the early charts is a consolidation going on. It is trying to find support at 150 140 levels. Be watchful of this. On the upside, certainly 36 200 and 220 are a good resistances. Once it stays beyond this, you can look forward to 36 250 260 zone and then 36 300. Now remember this red line, watch out this. This is going to be the ultimate resistance zone. If it stays above 36 300, nothing is gonna stop US30 towards 36 400 and 500 zone as well. Stochastic rising, MACD is almost flat, RSI is almost flat. On the two, now look at the 2-hour chart. See, first of all, two candles which are bearish taking support from the 20 period. What has happened? The preceding candle was green with a smaller body. With the smaller body suggests that there was a lot much of pressure from the upside. Now where this pressure is coming from? 36 200 220 zone, which is indeed a greater resistance. With that as resistance, it is tried to look downwards. Support is seen at 36 150 140. Below 140 is where the bears will be taking over. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour chart, see one reversal candle, then symmetrical candle, then a consolidation candle, and this candle is trying to swing. Now consider lower highs, which means 36 200. As long as 36 200 is respected, we can expect it to trade with the bearish bias and it can achieve lower lows. Now lower lows here means 36 140 150, and if you see US30 staying below 36 100, consider that as a bearish breakout. The stochastic looking down, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat and near to overbought zone. On the 4-hour charts, if you look, now likewise on the 4-hour charts, one bigger bullish candle, then a retracement candle, then a swing candle. Now this swing candle has carried lower highs and lower lows. Now lower lows here means possibility of 36 100 30 levels as the first support and 36 100 as the next support. It is only below 36 100 where further bearishness may prevail. See these lines here, you can expect even if it tries to retrace 36 100 080, certainly should be a greater support, and below that 36050. If at any point of time US30 trades below 36050 and 36,000 levels, consider that as a bearish breakout. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still bearish, RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, first of all, look at this candle. This is a diminishing body size and with a bigger tail. Both these candles with a bigger tail suggest that there is bullishness. It can push the prices little up, and that is what has happened. It has achieved higher highs. Now in fact, if it has achieved higher highs, lower lows or higher lows means 36050 can get achieved and 36,000 be the support. As long as it respects 36,000, the possibility of a bounce back or recovery will be very high. Thus we have to be watchful here. Now on the upside, as I mentioned, the only buying entry I will recommend is beyond 36 250 levels. Beyond 36 250 is where the bulls will be taking over completely, and then the rise can be seen. Now on the downside, yes, 36 140 100 certainly is a good support. Stochastic is overbought, it is elevated. The MACD is also bullish, it is running in green, trading with divergence so far, and it has come to an extremely elevated levels here, plus 600, which we have not seen while we were bearish here on the daily charts. Now look at the RSI. This is also trading extremely overbought. Thus, considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 36,250 levels, 260 levels, and then expect 36,300, very very strong resistance. It is only if you see US30 staying beyond 36,300. Remember, it is not going to look back. We are looking forward to 36,400, 450, and in fact 500 levels. Yes, it can hit 36,500. On the downside, a selling entry is at 36,140, 130 zone, where you can expect 36,100, 040, 36,000. Three support levels. Below 36,000, 15, 35,950, and 900, two major supports. If it trades below 35,900, that is the point of time you can say that the bear attack will be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Join my free Telegram channel, and do register for the free webinar series starting this Sunday. Yes, reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow. Thank you.